So I hear the girls want to start selling digital products, but they don't know where to start. Don't worry, I got you. Let's get right into the video. Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. As y'all can already tell by the title, I'm going to be putting the girls on today. I'm going to be telling y'all how you guys can start your own digital product business. This is for all my beginner babes. So yes, I ain't going to hold y'all. Let's go ahead and hop right into the video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. And if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the Pretty Girl crew. Alright babes, so what is digital products? Digital products is basically something that you are sending electronically in a digital format. The app that I am using my digital product on for my phone is GoodNotes. And you can use the same app on the iPad as well. But that's what it looks like right there. This is what my digital planner looks like. This is my software era planner. And this is kind of what, it looks like or whatnot. So, yeah. Basically, whenever you purchase the digital product, it basically comes to you as like a PDF or like a link that takes you directly to Canva where you can edit it. So, that's kind of what a digital product is. And then with the digital, number two, with the digital product, you can literally make money in your sleep selling them because there is no inventory, there's no shipping. You literally can create the product one time and then you're selling the product 1,000 times. So, it's 100% profit. And then with some website providers, they are free, so you don't even have to pay for a website. So at this point, it's just winning. You know what I'm saying? Like, digital products are it, okay? So once you learn what digital products are, you need to learn who's your target audience. That's very important, like knowing your target audience. So once you figure out who you want to sell to, number 4 would be once you find out who your target audience is and what digital products are. Number 4 will be finding out what product you want to sell, which I will link it. This product here, it will be a freebie for you guys. It's 20 digital product ideas to help you to start your digital product business. Let me show you guys what it looks like. And it will be at the top of my website, but this is what it is. And it is a freebie, so it's absolutely free. So once you figure out what products you want to sell, you then want to figure out if you want to create your product from scratch, which this is number 5. You want to figure out which if you want to create your product from 100% scratch, or you just want to go with DFY products, which is done for you, which I recommend done for you because it's just basically you are purchasing it and you are just basically making it into your own and then reselling it for 100% profit. And basically you buying it and then you sell it 1,000 amount of times and it's all profit. Okay. But if you want to create your product from scratch, then you can create them on Canva. Canva is free. They do have a free version and they have the pro version. I believe it's like $14.99. I'll have a link in the description box. So definitely make sure y'all download Canva if you do not have Canva. And then once you figure out if you want to create your products from scratch or purchase a done for you product, then and you already know which product you want to sell, you got your target audience, you know what a digital product is, you want to go ahead and create your website. Now for website providers, I recommend Beacon. Beacon is 100% free. Like I was telling y'all, some website providers are free. I'm working on creating a list for y'all for other free website providers. It'll probably be up soon, but it ain't up there now. So yeah, I'll have it up pretty soon. But yes, you definitely want to create you a website. Like I said, I recommend Beacon. It's 100% free. They do have a paid option for $10 a month. I will have Beacon linked in the description box, so definitely make sure y'all check it out if you want to create a free website. Okay, and then once you create your website and everything, you then want to create your social medias. I use TikTok and Instagram, so I created a TikTok and Instagram to promote my products on. A lot of people don't want to do digital products because they feel like marketing is like the hardest part. But like you literally can really just have fun with the marketing and stuff like that. It's not really just hard. You can have fun with it. You do have to market to gain sales. It's not gonna just come like without you posting about your products, or like, you have to give the people like free things as well. I recommend when you build your website that you do offer a freebie, because that when people purchase the freebie, it gives them the opportunity to subscribe to your newsletter, so they can receive all your emails and stuff like that. Even if they just get the freebie, you'll still be able to send them emails about your products and stuff like that, and then they eventually would then want to like actually purchase. So yes, you guys, that's really all I have. I hope that this video is helpful for anyone that wants to start their digital product business. I love it. I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier, but I'm happy to be a part of the digital product world, because it's super like it's way better than having to ship products out or all that stuff. And it's basically like you can make money in your sleep. Like you can make money while you're on vacation. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't have to be worried about, oh, I gotta send this out, I gotta send this out. And then also, y'all, like, you really don't even gotta send the links to the customer, because your website provider is going to do that. So and that's another good thing about Beacon. Beacon automatically sends the link to your customer, so you don't have to do that. So yes, you guys, I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.